Here is an example of how we make our gummy dot formulas in our Foodology by Univar Solutions test kitchen. The first thing we do is obviously weigh up all of our ingredients, and then we go ahead and add corn syrup, sugar, and sodium citrate to our cooking vessel. In our kitchens, we're using a pot on an induction range, which actually works out pretty well. We then hydrate either our carrageenan or pectin with water under shear. This is very important as this is giving our final product its desired texture, so we want to make sure that it is incorporated very evenly. Our gummy dot formula also includes dietary fiber, so we hydrate that with water as well. We now add all of the hydrated ingredients to our sugar, corn syrup, sodium citrate mixture. We are actually going to heat that to a Brix range of 77 to 80. Just to keep things consistent and make sure we're getting the desired texture. And then we add our color, acid, and flavor to the mix. We then quickly deposit the mixture into our molds and usually let it sit overnight. We then take them out, cure them in a 120 degree Fahrenheit oven for anywhere between 12 to 24 hours. Let them sit at room temperature for just a bit. And then we coat each dot in an oil and wax coating. This is to help make sure they don't stick together, as well as the sugar adheres to it better. And then we do the sanding with the sugar acid blend. And here we have a completed gummy dot item.